Breaking news. A massive winter storm has dumped heavy snow and ice across the Northeast and South, leaving thousands without electricity and at least 30 people dead. The severe cold has caused widespread disruptions, with nearly 14,000 flights canceled and major travel delays. The National Weather Service warns of continued freezing temperatures and Arctic air influx. At least 30 deaths have been reported in states affected by severe cold, with thousands left without electricity and facing below-freezing temperatures. The storm has caused major disruptions, with nearly 14,000 flights canceled and widespread travel delays.